Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. So today in this session we will be discussing about second PUC biology chapter wise weightage for NEET 2020. Students, I know we are running out of time and we don't know what to study and from where to start with. Don't worry students. So in this session I will be giving some tips to study and I will be discussing the chapter wise weightage for your NEET exam. So we all know that second PUC biology subject is having 5 units which consists of 16 chapters. So unit 6 reproduction. So this unit consists of 4 chapters. So among those 4 chapters, the first chapter reproduction in organisms is of very least weightage chapter for NEET. So that means very least weightage means they may ask one question or they may not ask that one question also. So that is of very least weightage chapter. And chapter 2, 3, 4, that is sexual reproduction in flowering plants, human reproduction and reproductive health. So all these 3 chapters are medium weightage chapters, that is they may ask 2 to 3 questions from each chapter. So that is about the unit 6. And about unit 7, genetics and evolution. So this unit consists of 3 chapters, that is chapter 5, principles of inheritance and variation, chapter 6, molecular basis of inheritance, chapter 7, evolution. So this unit is very important for your NEET. So chapter 5 and 6 are heavy weightage chapters, that is they may ask 3 to 4 questions from each chapter. So you have to concentrate more on principles of inheritance and variation and molecular basis of inheritance. And evolution is of medium weightage chapter, so from this chapter they may ask 2 to 3 questions. And about the next unit, biology in human welfare. So this unit consists of 3 chapters. So among these 3 chapters, human health and diseases, that is chapter 8 is of medium weightage chapter. You can expect 2 to 3 questions from that chapter. And chapter 9 and 10, that is strategies for enhancement of food production and microbes in human welfare. These are the least weighted chapters, that is they may ask 1 to 2 questions. They may ask one question or two questions from each chapter. Okay, so the next unit is biotechnology. So this unit consists of 2 chapters. Chapter 11, biotechnology principles and processes. Chapter 12, biotechnology and its applications. So these 2 chapters are medium weighted chapters. So from each chapter they may ask 2 to 3 questions. And when we come to the last unit, that is ecology. So this is having 4 units, 4 chapters. So chapter 13, organisms and population, chapter 14, ecosystem, and chapter 16, environmental issues. These 3 chapters are medium weighted chapters. So from these chapters you can expect 2 to 3 questions from each chapter. And about chapter 15, biodiversity and conservation, this chapter is of very least weighted chapter. So they may ask one question or they may not ask also. Sometimes they won't ask any question from this chapter. So you can neglect this chapter. I'm like neglect in the sense, if you really don't have time at the last moment, you can skip this chapter. So start with genetics unit, that is that unit is having more weightage. So concentrate more on that. And if you really don't have time at the last moment, you can skip two chapters, that is reproduction in organisms and biodiversity and conservation. So these two are very least weighted chapters. And next to that, the least weighted chapters are strategies for enhancement in food production and microbes in human welfare. So that also you may concentrate in a lesser quantity, but then you have to concentrate if you really want to crack NEET with a very good ranking or marks. you have to concentrate on all the chapters. And students, I know we don't have study material for NEET. So don't worry, students. For biology, you don't have to require, you don't have to have NEET study material separately. So if you have your NCRT textbook, that is more than enough. So if you have your NCRT textbook and if you really want to crack your NEET, and you have to study each and every corner of your NCRT textbook. So if you study NCRT textbook, that is more than enough to get 90 percentage of marks in the NEET in biology subject. So that's it for today's students. So if you like the video, please hit the like button. If you feel this video is useful, please share it with your friends, and if you want more of such videos, please do subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.